Hello everyone. My name is Yuvraj Singh, member of group number 6. I would like to talk about the blockchain in travel and industry, which is transforming security, efficiency, and transparency. What is blockchain? Blockchain is a safe and permanent way to store information shared across many computers. It removes the need for middlemen, which helps reduce costs, speed up processes, and builds trust through transparency. What are the key features? The key features are transparency, immutability, and decentralization. In transparency, all transactions are visible across the network, which promotes openness and reduce disputes. In immutability, once data is recorded, it cannot be changed or deleted. It ensures integrity and prevents frauds. Decentralization, no central authority controls the data, this reduces risk of data breaches or hacking attempts. Moving on to the history of blockchain. So blockchain was introduced in 2008 and it was introduced as a foundation for Bitcoin. This aimed to secure financial transactions without middlemen. In 2015, Ethereum launched smart contracts, which automated processes like payments and bookings. In 2017 to now 19, they broadened application to travel for payments, loyalty programs, and fraud-proof ticketing. From 2020 to present, so it is like used in digital identity management and eco certification and supply chain transparency. The government and businesses increasingly adopt blockchain to improve operations. Moving on to how blockchain acts is applied in the real world in travels. First we will talk about the private sectors. It helps in secure payments. It makes the payments faster and safe for transaction accepted by companies like Traveler. It reduces the payment fraud and eliminates currency conversion issues. Also about the loyalty programs, it integrates points across airlines, hotels, and car rentals, which allows travelers to redeem rewards more easily. In the baggage tracking, it creates a tamper-proof records of baggage locations used by airlines like Air France, KLM to reduce lost luggage. KLM, I also flew in KLM to from India to Toronto. So Also, fraud prevention in ticketing. Blockchain prevents ticket duplication or alteration, which enables secure resale of tickets through peer-to-peer platforms. Moving on to public sector, how it is applied in public sector. In the digital identity management, governments like Estonia and Dubai use blockchain passports, which reduces identity fraud and speed up border processing. And it also helps in the visa processing, like automates and simplifies applications, ensuring transparency. Initiatives like Smart Dubai improve efficiency. Also in the sustainable tracking monitors that carbon money it monitors the carbon footprint of travel activities. It verifies claims of eco-friendly certifications for hotels and airlines. Moving on, my fellow group member is gonna talk about it.
So this is about how blockchain is being used in both private and public sectors. Blockchain technology had been adopted in different industries, impacting how information is managed and protected. The first one is private sector. In social media, blockchain deals with problems like data theft and failure of content creators to be well compensated. Using the concept of decentralization, it is impossible to increase the control over the personal information and using the additional money for the content that is in the base of the program, people could earn money. Another area closely related to copyright, royalty, and trademark concerns is the use of blockchain. due to the creation of an electronic record which keeps tracking of ownership through a decentralized and highly secured method of blockchain technology. Artists and creators are assured of their portion through real-time royalty distribution. It is revolutionizing the creative sector because it guarantees people's idea and earnings from their creation. Next one is public sector applications. While the e-voting system based on the blockchain has the safety, decentralization, and transparent nature, it has been minimizing the potential of fraudulent alteration. It makes much more sense than the conventional approaches to giving accurate results within minutes as opposed to weeks. It also working in improving the credibility of the election, thus leading to people having higher level of confidence in the democratic exercises. Another use of blockchain that proves transformative is using smart contracts to deliver government services. All these computational processes perform operations that are triggered by present triggers in a way that is transparent and highly efficient in operationalizing public administration. Blockchain also makes information that is open and publicly available, easily accessible, easily to be understood, and integrated across different platforms. Tourism and hospitality usage. Tourism and hospitality usage, Part 1. Blockchain technology is gradually entering the tourism and hospitality industry and is already adopting new trends that will improve the consumer experience. It has its most important use in secure payment systems. Through blockchain, travelers are able to transact and do not undergo major stress in exchanging cash and are usually able to complete transactions in a few minutes. Travela and Bitcoin Travel are among the service-providing companies that allow buying hotels, air tickets, and other services for cryptocurrencies or other common payment options. For instance, Travela utilizes DLT in the areas of book and pay so that the users can earn and spend AVA through a platform as a reward. Further, it is enhancing identity verification in the industry through the help of blockchain. In doing so, it saves travelers time, for example, in visa handling and airport security digitization. Concepts such as digital passports, which are adopted with the help of the World Economic Forum, are designed to help realize the vision of effective border management and international travel. Tourism and hospitality usage, second part. First of all, blockchain changes loyalty programs in the tourism sector, becoming easier, safer, and more flexible. E-tokens enable clients to preview and/or access, use or transact any reward whenever and at any time using blockchain technology. Due to the impenetrable nature of blockchain, these programs minimize fraud to unimaginable levels. An example is provided by Turkey that utilizes blockchain to address the issue of technical implementation of its loyalty rewards program. The hotel chain provides trip tokens which are earned for staying at the hotel, or any service take-up can be exchanged for other services in the long or short run as well can be sold. These tokens do not have a limited validity, thus the added value customers would be able to benefit. These, along with other emerging applications such as Slotgate, which handles Airbnb kind of service with the help of blockchain, show how the technology increases customer acquisition and retention.
Hi guys, I'm going to speak about the future use of blockchain in tourism and hospitality. Determinized booking. Through the use of blockchain, it is possible to eliminate third-party actors such as agencies, travel sites, and other operation conducts. Person-to-person transaction will accommodate airlines tickets and experience for sales. Digital identification. Blockchain solutions could also allow several applications such as storing of secure digital identifications to make us an important and to make check-ins faster and more secure within airport terminals, hotels, and other travel-related services. Smart codes for traveling insurance. The paper focuses on the need of developing smart contracts for as same as which means identifying people who can be paid for trips under different travel insurance categories. Another area that could be briefly for the smart contract is traveling insurance. When many claims could be proceeded automatically using smart contract, travelers can be more convenient with their way of using it and be more sufficient and be more free with their contacts. Benefits of blockchain. Increased transparency. The key concept of blockchain is the undirected ledger, which enhances transportation technology and gives customer occurrence in which cannot be manipulated or be fraudulent. Reduction of costs. Another way to blockchain and can reduce cost through the making deals, removing third-party agencies, middlemans, and other service charges. Enhanced security. It's almost impossible to hackers to corrupt the blockchain because of the encrypted and lack of center control of manual data. Challenges. Adopting some current IT system to travel and hospitality subscription sectors are not in the blockchain capable. Hence, adopting blockchain is such system could be expensive and challenging. Sustainability issue. The use of blockchain can be cost performing issue when the large number of transaction is proceeded and difficult to manage in a high traffic area.
Hi guys, my name is Ashmit. So I will discuss about the additional insights blockchain technology in travel. So the first point is sustainable and blockchain. Blockchain can contribute towards sustainability of the travel industry. For instance, it consists of clean label tracking of flights, accommodation and travel related activities, allowing conscious traveler to determine their carbon emissions. Decentralized travel ecosystems. Blockchain innovation is facilitating the development of travel sharing platforms where travelers can purchase flight accommodation and tours and any related services without having to rely on other third party services providers such as OTA, thus cutting on fee charge. Traveler identify management, smart ID or digital passport can be represented through the use of blockchain to improve the traveler experience and safety, and system guarantee secure storage of person data with added capability, quick verification at airports, hotel and borders. Real world examples. TUI Group has adopted the use of blockchain to help the organization inventory, which will help in making the right price and availability of the products to the customers. Adoption in emerging markets. Blockchain is starting to be a technological trend that can be utilized in new emerging markets in African and South American countries in eliminating fraud in the booking systems. Collaboration with other digital tools. Blockchain can complete and ensure secure analysis of travelers' preference on function alongside with virtual booking with enhanced by blockchain authentication.